One of the most amazing things that you'll notice when spending time in nature and just watching it is that life spontaneously unfolds. Things are coming and going, popping in and out of awareness and existence all of the time. We can see this clearly with the coming and going of the birdsong, or the passage of cloud across the sky, or the flow of a river, or the coming and going of the tides. And yet I had missed something that was so obvious, which was that internal phenomena were doing exactly the same. They were coming and going too, on their own, on automatic. There were sensations coming and going. Sometimes an emotion would arise out of nowhere. And then I noticed that thoughts were also spontaneously arising. And it was as spontaneous as the coming and going of bird calls. And there was no I, there was no sense of a me thinking those thoughts into existence. They were just here. They just came out of the stillness like a wave and then crashed back in again. I was nothing to do with it. These thoughts just were there. I would be watching birds darting about in the trees, for example, and then suddenly there would be an awareness of a thought. It would just appear completely unannounced, a bit like an email arriving in your inbox. That's what it felt like. And so it was in that moment that I had this clarity that thoughts are delivered. They're not put out.